Hey everybody, it's time for a kitchen transformation. I didn't bore you with pulling the old stove out, but look at what I found here. I've already removed the old dirty greasy hood. Say hello to everybody, Chanel. We've already replaced our dishwasher. We have a new stove coming in today. I have a new hood. My wife and I had talked about installing a microwave up here, but in order to do that I have to cut that cabinet up probably about 12 inches or so, and then take the wire, put it up in the wall, put an outlet, cut that duct and everything. I told her for now we'll just deal with the microwave over there. I have a new range hood that I just bought at Lowe's. It cost me $100, which is black, which is going to match our new stove that we have coming in. These ungodly hinges, handles and nasty looking hinges, I actually have replacements. I went to Lowe's. Now all this stuff that I bought today, I spent a little over $400. I have these hinges and these handles. I don't know if you can see them in the pack that I'm going to replace all the handles and hinges with. But first, I have to go through and remove all the hardware, remove the doors. I bought some crud cutter because these cabinets are covered in grease and dirt. They're so nastified. I got a ProSource faucet set with a pull-out spray hose and a soap dispenser. So I'm going to go through here. Excuse the mess, guys. I had to get everything moved around. The delivery guys are going to be here after a while. So I've got to get this new range hood put in after I clean all the grease up. We're going to replace this old faucet. I'm going to redo the countertops with a paint on that makes it look like granite. I'm going to try it and just clean. Look at these nasty cabinets. This is all grease and grime and dirt on here. What I'm believing I can do is get these cleaned up and maybe spray some clear coat on them. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to try it out. I've got a new double door refrigerator. I had a refrigerator in here, but it quit working after 3 days of bringing it in. A customer gave it to me, but look at all this nastiness. Now I am going to be painting all the walls in here and probably do some type of backsplash around the counters here, backsplash around the counters here, and around the stove over to here. I'm going to repaint the ceiling in here. I'm going to wind up painting the whole house. But here, I'll show you the old refrigerator that just took out. There's the refrigerator that we had in there. Didn't want to bore you with that. That was fun getting out of this door. It was very fun. The range hood, this thing is almost embarrassing, but we just bought this house. It's disgusting, and it barely ever worked. The stove is old electric stove and disgusting. So get back in here to the kitchen. Now from here on out, I'm pretty much just probably going to do some photo shots of everything. But look at the side of the cabinet. See how dirty everything is? And the old hinges. I don't know who picked these knobs for this thing. And when they did the floors, for some reason, rather than get a dark oak colored shoe molding, they put white. I'm going to do away with that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this type of stuff. Look forward to the transformation. It's going to be little by little here and there. Like I said, right now I've got, well, including appliances that I have coming today, I have $2,000 in it. But yeah, we've been stuck with a refrigerator sitting over here because we had the refrigerator sitting over here in the way. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, here we are at the end of day one. We got our new stove installed. Dishwasher's already new. Got our new range hood put in. I got the cabinets, these cabinets up here cleaned, and I did go ahead and change the handles. For if you hadn't noticed, these are the handles that were on there, and these are the new handles. The hinges that I purchased were wrong. They're actually offset, but I still have to pull this back out and clean it, and then I'll get all my seasonings stuff up there. Believe it or not, the wall is pretty clean back there compared to where it was. Nice new stove with this has the air fryer, built-in air fryer. And I haven't gotten around to these cabinets over here or anything. We did go ahead and get our new double door refrigerator put in with an ice maker and water dispenser and everything, which is a blessing, believe me. We've been wanting this for a long time. But anyway, guys, this is just day one. It's going to be a series of these videos. Little by little, we'll get it done. You can see the old handles versus the new handles. Hopefully you can make that out. And definitely look at the bottom cabinets, how dirty they are versus those cabinets up there that are all shiny and clean. It's the only thing I've cleaned thus far. Had the guys come and deliver everything, so I had to kind of put a halt to the cleaning, and I needed to get back together tonight so we can cook supper. But if you guys like content like this, follow along with me. I'm going to do this on a budget. We got budgeted for this entire kitchen remodel $3,500. Right now I'm right at about $1,800 with the appliances and all that stuff, and the door handles. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like, follow along. I appreciate it. Have a good night. God bless.